Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to search on YouTube. So you can see that I'm right now on YouTube dashboard, and I'm gonna type here @1 MINSUHWL and hit on the enter button. So we can search a YouTube channel like using the @. Also we can search here by typing any name of the channel, such that if I search here one school, then I can see here multiple account, and if I add here shift @, then I can hit the targeted YouTube channel. Also here is some advanced tool. We can sort by time, sort by video type, channel playlist. We can search by video duration. Also we can sort by video count, video rating. So if you are also a freelancer or a digital marketer, you can use the advanced tools to target your audience. So that's the video to search YouTube channel on YouTube. So if you like my video, do a thumbs up, and stay tuned with One School. Do subscribe, and yeah, let's see you in the next video.